Guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Ctfmon.exe Not Automatically Starting in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also face this problem, then I will show you how to fix this problem. For that, first of all, you have to go register editor. Right click on register editor, click on run as administrator, click on yes. In this, double click on HKUI local machine, then double click on software, double click on Microsoft, double click on Windows, then double click on current version. In this, you select run. You can see here run, select it, then right click here, click on string value, then type here Ctfmon, then right click Ctfmon, click on modify, then type here C:/system32/system/ctfmon.exe, then click on OK. After that, close this window. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.